Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 601 at Palm Garden Hotel in Putrajaya. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door. With the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the wardrobe with the ironing board, storage right above, hangers, bathrobes, and in-room slippers down below. Behind this door, drawers, in-room safe, shelves, and next to it is the pantry area. On the top shelf, a couple of glasses together with a couple of bottles of water, kettle, tea, coffee, sugar, and all that stuff, together with mugs and a plug to the left. And down below is the fridge, which is empty. Okay, so that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the bathroom with a light switch to the left. Inside the bathroom, we have the toilet right there, towels. To the left is a huge mirror. Hello. Together with a sink right there, the sink amenities, and here we have the shower area. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower together with the handheld shower. Okay, so here we have a mirror, and here we have a light switch, the makeup room and do not disturb switches, as well as a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. Okay, so further inside, here we have the bed, which does look quite comfortable. There is only one bedside table, and that's on the right of the bed. Here we have your sanitizing wipes, paper, pen, or pencil. Yeah, pencil, in-room telephone, light, and the clock. And behind you have the light switches and plugs. Oh, sorry. There is a bedside table for this side as well, but this one's empty. Here we have an armchair together with a coffee table and a sofa-like thing right there. Standing light to the corner of the room. And here we have a place to put your luggage together with storage areas below. More storage right there. Flat screen sharp TV and air conditioning remotes. And here we have the desk area with the chair, light, and a plug behind the light. There is also a mirror above the table. And it is very early in the morning. It is 12:25 a.m. So it is dark out. I can't show you much, but you can see the road in front of the hotel together with the car park. You can see the two red cars in the distance. Those two are my filming subjects for later today. Okay, so this is the view out of the window later in the morning. As mentioned earlier, you can see the road right in front of the hotel together with the hotel's car park. It is not a bad view. And you can also see a bit of Putrajaya Marriott right opposite. And there is a tiny balcony for this room. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 601 at Palm Garden Hotel Putrajaya. Thanks for watching and goodbye.